It's Megan, and welcome to Megan's World. What Macy got for her Christmas present from her teacher is blizzard.
It's Diane.
Yeah, is blizzard sand, and what it is, it's like kinetic sand. And also, we got these molds. This is an igloo, and this is a church. This is a house. This is a Christmas tree. This is a Christmas tree. And then this is Rudolph, or a reindeer.
It can be Rudolph.
Okay, so what?
It's an igloo.
So what I'm going to do is we are going to make a turtle using the igloo. We don't have a turtle mold, so we're going to use the igloo. Okay, it looks kind of like this. So now I'm going to show you. Okay. First, you mold it. You put it in the igloo on the bottom.
Can I play two? There's only two.
That's my brother, McKaden.
I'm not kidding.
Okay. Now that you have it, you're going to bring it down. And you have the mold. Now, you see this? You're going to get some extra sand. And you're going to roll it into a ball. Like that. Okay. Then you're going to put it at the shape of this. And mold the head as you want it.
Bye. Bye, McKaden.
Okay. After you got that, I want it to be like that. You get some more sand to make as your eyes.
I was making a pizza.
There's one eye. And you mold them as you want it. Remember, guys, this is your turtle. And I'm not bragging in any way of this blizzard sand, I promise.
You're bragging.
Okay. So I want my eyes to pop out. So. Now, you have your turtle. See if I can pick it up without breaking it. But we still have the igloo mold, kind of.
It worked.
It kind of demolds. It's really cool. See if you have it like in a ball. Look.
I see the spots.
Look. If you give it a little push, like that.
You want to see mine?
See, look at that.
You want to see mine?
It demolds.
Make it.
Now Macy is going to show you how you make a pizza. What kind of pizza are we making here, Macy?
Cheese.
Okay. She's sprinkling the cheese right now.
And I'm putting it in the
That's how you make it.
I'm putting it in the oven.
And then let's make a Christmas tree. And you see the Christmas tree mold? And here, this little hole, you put the sand in. So that it gets the ornament and the tree and the tinsel. And all of that. There's Christmas, guys. Okay. Alright. Stop. Okay. Okay, we put it in there, pat it down, move it right here. Okay, ready? Stop! Sorry, our dog is growling at our other dog.
I'm a baby dog.
Oh, sorry guys.
That's funny.
Okay, let's try again. Boom!
Yay!
Now let's see the details on it. You can see the ornaments right there and right there. And then you can see these lines right here. That's the garland. And then there's no star, so let's make a star. Okay, so we're gonna get some extra sand. Get some extra sand out. Extra sand. Okay, we're gonna roll it out like that. And then you're gonna need a knife, and I'm gonna go get a butter knife. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have my knife.
There.
Okay, now that I have my sand, we're gonna cut a star shape. Okay, you're just gonna keep doing this. And you might get it wrong at the first time. But it's okay, guys. Because it's your Christmas tree. Okay. So, here's my star.
Get on the tree.
Where's my star? I know it's not as good.
Just get a tip and put it on.
Okay. Let's see if we can get this. Okay, since the
It's very
blizzard's
easy to break.
Since the blizzard sand can't, let's do a ball on the top of the tree. Let's do a big ball.
It will make it fall down.
Okay, now you gotta just clope it on that, right there.
I'm gonna make a pizza.
You gotta clope it on that. There we go. There's the tree. So I hope you like that. It totally fell down. Look at that. And so there it is. And then I made this church. Oh, it fell apart. And I made this house. Let's see if we cannot make it fall. Yay! Oh, it went in half. Darn it! Okay, that's all, guys. Bye!
Bye!